Hey guys and girls, I wanted to do a video quick, and trust me, I'll be doing a lot more videos on these specific products. And then there's probably like 3 other main chains that I want to get from Hip Hop Bling. That's it. And I appreciate all the support that I'm getting from the people about the addiction part of my life. I really appreciate it because it's not easy. It's really hard. So I just wanted everybody to know that I appreciate it, and I read every comment, and if you comment, you will get a reply.
The 10 grand each for bottom.
Obviously, it's how,
oh shit. And the chicks? She's got a guy to kite him, but she's never worked with him before. I say
I'm dealing with bullshit from it, but
100 in cards, 196 in cash, that'll be fine.
I am going to the therapist, and I'm trying to get back on boxing, but let's get into the real thing. There's one company that I'll always put my name behind because their products are so amazingly great, and customer, everything's great. I bought myself a rope chain because I love rope chains. I thought it was going to be too long because it's 24 inches, and I like 22, but it literally fits perfect. Perfect. It fits absolutely perfect, like a glove. And it's not too thin at all, which I was nervous about. But the cool thing is, they offered us with a lobster, like my 6mm chain, the lobster thing. But look at this. This to me is just so amazing. Like, look at that. Straight up diamond clasp on a beautiful rope chain. There's only 3 other chains that I want to get from Hip Hop Bling, and that is their Cuban chain that's all iced out, which hopefully they'll help me because I love working with them and promoting them, sending you guys there, because you guys straight up tell me like that they don't play. Their customer service is there and they don't fuck around. They're not gonna screw you over. The quality's there. You could tell, like, I've had people tell me that their pieces are probably gonna last longer than their life, like, for real. And that's what a jeweler should be.
Don't get hot and do anything stupid with that thing.
I won't if they won't.
And the crazy thing is, the prices. They're not ripping you off, they're actually hooking you up, so. I mean, this is just, to me, that's a beautiful chain. You got a nice rope chain, and then you got your perfect clasp, which, yeah, it's beautiful. Like, the diamonds are just beautiful. They glisten all the time. Just the chain itself glistens every time the sun touches it. But what's awesome about this clasp is it's not just for looks. Like, it is actual clasp. Like, it actually, obviously it's an actual clasp, but what I'm saying is it actually works. Like, it actually holds nice and tight. Like, watch. Like, that's tight. So when you put this on,
for years, you paid Manny off to keep his mouth shut.
you hear that? Like, that's not gonna come off of your damn neck.
For God's sake. We had a baby together.
Does he know that?
So,
No, he doesn't know that. Because you never told him.
that's,
He treat me like I'm an
that's
employee.
literally, this is, out of all the chains that I bought, and I spent hundreds of dollars on chains just from Hip Hop Bling, out of all the chains that I bought, this is my new favorite piece. Like, I'm gonna wear this every day. And if I'm not wearing this, I'll show you the other piece that I'll be wearing. This clasp. You're never gonna, this will never fall off your neck.
Standing out there on the beach.
I'll take my chances.
And you could get it in bigger, like longer, not bigger, like millimeter wise, but you could get it longer, but I just think that for me, like, this is perfect. It's nice, it's classy. You could wear this to family get-togethers, like, just a really beautiful, nice chain. Like, it just is perfect. And you'll never lose it because of the clasp. Even if someone pulled it off of your neck, you're gonna be able to grab it because you need to open it and all that. But
You can't miss a meeting. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. Where were you?
I paid for that one with my own money, and then shout out to Hip Hop Bling. Like I said, I spent hundreds of dollars with their company, so like I'm so like grateful that they let me promote them, because that's the only place that I will buy my jewelry from, and I know that you guys are jewelry heads, and that's the only place that I would want you guys to go for your jewelry. Because I've been burnt numerous amounts of times by people who have shitty jewelry that fucking fades or just falls apart and breaks and shit like that. But I know a lot of people are gonna respect this, because this is the 24-inch Franco, which a lot of people love the Franco, including me. And in my book, it goes rope, chain, Franco, Cuban link, and then Figaro. But look at that. The Franco even has it. So, like, if you wanted to if you don't like a rope chain and you only like the Francos, you could just buy the Franco with the clasp. And like I said, I thought that this was gonna be too long and too thin, but like I said, I mean, that's literally the perfect length and the perfect millimeter. I mean, that's a square box chain, and that still shines. Like, and it has that beautiful diamond clasp on it. Like, same exact thing. It's something that you can just wear out, and it's such a beautiful chain. Like, for a guy to wear, that's such a nice chain. Like, I don't know what else to say other than these are my favorite pieces. Like, they just are, because of, one, the quality of them, two, the type of chains they are. I love the Franco, I love the rope, I love the Cuban, and I might pick up the Figaro next, the 24-inch lobster clasp, because they only make the rope chain and the Figaro, or the Franco, with these clasps. They don't make any other chains with that type of diamond clasp, but Well, they do, but the only other one is the Cuban. But the Cuban chain that I want is Miami Cuban, and the whole thing is iced out, including the clasp. So, I mean, this is just a nice chain. Like, it's just a nice normal chain to wear. For me, obviously, I love them both and would wear both of them. But it's all comes down to preference, and like I said, some people like Cuban better, some people like Franco, Figaro, whatever. I love the rope chains because of how the light hits it and just how it looks. But I sort of do wish that it was like 3.5 to 4 millimeters. Like, I wish it was a little bit thicker, but it's still beautiful. But you could tell a difference in the size when you look at it. But it's not a big deal. I'm gonna be wearing both of them so much, for real. Like, when I don't feel like going crazy, I'll put this on. And even this is crazy because it shines. And then when I feel like just looking really nice and shining every time the sun hits me, the rope chain will be going on. And if I really want, I'll just wear them both. But I think that they're better, like, separate. Either wear the Franco, which is beautiful, or just wear the rope. Like I said, I love them both, and the money that you spend on them, trust me, it's worth it, like, for real. It's way worth it. This thing will last so much longer than any other rope chain that you buy, and it's gonna last longer than you last. I actually think that I'm gonna throw this one on and wear this for a little bit because they just came in the mail today, and all day I've been wearing the rope chain, so I figured, screw it, I'll wear the Franco for a little bit, because look at how nice that looks. Like, that's just such a nice Italian type of chain. Like, it's so nice. And these are the only two chains that I actually take and put right back in the plastic, and I will always do that for as long as I own them. Well, for as long as I'm alive, because I'm never gonna sell them. But the price is extremely reasonable. You'll be surprised. Go check out Hip Hop Bling. Type it in on Google, Hip Hop Bling, all one word, and put in Rope or Franco CZ clasp. Click on it, and I guarantee that you're going to be surprised at how much it is. And I mean, I showed you the clasp. Like, they are they're insane. It blows my mind. Like I said, I spent hundreds of dollars on Hip Hop Bling's jewelry, and these are my two favorite pieces, straight up. Like, the only other piece that comes close, but still these are my favorites, like, way favorite more, is my Jesus piece, and these were cheaper, or these weren't as much, but I love love these. The clasp, everything about them. I would tell you guys straight up, like, go buy them while they're in stock, because I could tell you this much: once people figure out that they're in around, like, that they could buy them, and they see the price, they're gonna be gone, like, and you're gonna have to wait to buy yours. So, and I mean, that's the only thing that I could ask for is my Cuban link nice diamond out chain. That's the only thing better than this and that rope. Once again, I just can't get over this. Like, this diamond clasp, like, it's literally so amazing to me. Like, there's no other chain that has a CZ clasp or a diamond clasp. Others have possibly CZ clasp, but this is 14 karat gold, and no other chain. I've never seen another chain that actually has a diamond clasp that's 14 karat gold. Like I said, yeah, it's 14 karat gold. It's a diamond clasp. This is gonna last your whole lifetime. So I don't mind paying for it, like, at all. It's just, I'm so grateful to be able to promote hip hop bling, and I am a rapper. I'm number 2 in the state of Pennsylvania. I'm ranked. I'm in talks with record labels, big ones, to be signed, and the first thing that I'm going to buy with a couple $100 that I have is the Miami Cuban link from Hip Hop Bling, and I'm gonna straight up shout out Hip Hop Bling in the song. But I'm gonna go look at more stuff, try to save up some money so I could get that Cuban link, because I don't want to ask them to send it to me. It's too expensive. I would feel really bad. But there's no videos of these products. Like, go try to find a video of this. You're not gonna. Not on YouTube, not on Periscope, nowhere. I'm the only one with the videos of these items, and I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm glad that, I hope they notice, and I really hope they appreciate it, and maybe, just maybe, since I am the only one doing videos on these products, and, like, when I buy them and I'm spending hundreds of dollars there, eventually it's gonna be thousands, but maybe they will reward me and just send me the CZ Cuban chain, but I doubt it. It's a lot of money, but regardless, I'm gonna save up for it, and I'll show you guys, and I guarantee that you guys are gonna lose your damn mind. I mean, I'm losing my mind over this, and it's rightfully so. Like, this is a beautiful chain. It's better than anybody else's, and if you have another chain that you could even compare to this, I'd love to see it, but you gotta feel the quality, you gotta see the diamond clasp, like, nothing compares to this. Hip Hop Bling's the best. Shout out, like, straight up. Have a great day and a great night.